guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loretta, and if you're new here, just know that I am Loretta. Okay, today I want to show you guys how you can create a head wrap out of your leggings. I posted this on Instagram the other time and people seem to be interested. So I have two leggings here, right? I have two leggings here which I'm going to be using for this style. Two different types of head wraps with your leggings. I'm going to start off with the grey one right here because I had the black one and I like the black one more, so we'll save the best for the last. This one right here, it has a big band. It's an active wear, so it's got a very big band here, but I'm not going to cut off the band just because I want to do a head wrap. I'll just fold it in this way and we use it. But then before that, I have this on which needs to go. In case you're wondering, this is from the 94 shop. I will link it down below if possible. So I cover my hair with a hairnet just so we don't have the hair looking so puffy under the wrap when we do it. So I'm just going to cover my hair with this one and then we'll see how it goes. Okay. So now that we have it on my head, I'm going to push it up this way and then try and tuck it in a bit. So I'll tuck this side in. What you don't want to do is to leave the leggings thick on one side and having the other side not look thick. So I just want to fold it in this way. Okay, I think we have a good fold here. So for this side, what I'm going to do is to wrap it around my head. Okay, just the way it goes. So I'm bringing it here. So where it ends is just where I'm going to tuck in here. So I'll tuck it in over here just to secure it. Now that first part is done. Obviously we have the other leg line here, so we have to wrap that as well. So I'm just going to take that and wrap it around again like so. And then I'll tuck it in where it ends again. That was difficult. Really difficult to do. I don't really like this one, but some people might like it. It might look nice to someone. So that's it for the first one. I am going to do the second one, which is actually my favorite, the one I like the most. I use the black one because I like the black one more. So I use this one for the second one. And it's almost the same process. I put it on my head this way. And because the black one doesn't have a thick band here, I did not even tuck it in. So what I'm going to do is to hold the middle side up. You know, with the first one we tucked it in this way, but this one I'm just going to hold it up and adjust the leggings on the sides of my head. So hold it up this way and I'll bring this leg in, try and adjust it as well. And I'm also bringing this one in. And then you want to make sure it covers the back of your head like all around. And then I'll begin to twist it up. So I have a nice twist here up to the end and I'm just going to wrap it up. So I kind of lost the twist here, so I'm still going to twist it up again before I move on. So where it ends is where I'm going to tack it in, but I feel bringing it all the way here would be bad. It won't look good, so I'm just going to tack it in on the side here, and this one as well. Tuck it in, and then we adjust it. And this one too. Oh, I just broke my nail. And that's it for this look as well. If you like it, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Alright? Okay? Bye!